Hello, Team Kentucky. My name is Andrea Flinchum, and I'm the manager of the Healthcare Associated Infection Antibiotic Resistance Prevention Program at the Kentucky Department for Public Health. And I'm here today to show you how to make a mask out of some common household items that most of us will have around the house. These masks are worn when we make essential trips away from home, like the grocery store or the drugstore. And so we're going to get started now. I have a bandana here. You can use a bandana or any kind of scarf. Lay it out flat in front of you. And the other thing that you're going to need are 2 rubber bands. And that's it. So we'll get started. You make the first fold, and you're going to fold the scarf over to the center. Make the second fold to meet it right at the center. And then carefully flip it over. It doesn't come out perfect, but that's okay. Get that. Then make your second fold like that. Smooth it out. Flip it over. Now we're ready for our ear loops. That's what the rubber bands are for. You can use ponytail holders, hair bands. Sometimes the hair bands are a little tight around your ears. I like the rubber bands, well used rubber bands, work well. Last folds, you're going to bring these over to the center. Pull this out just a little bit, and we have a mask. And this is for you to wear on your essential outings. Remember, cover your nose and your mouth and wash this daily. Thank you so much, and stay healthy.